Hello, hi, good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you and
Uh,
I can see you. And
that
you?
that's great. Yeah, I can see and hear you clearly
Mhm.
as well.
Okay.
Is this a Tsuchi? A Chusi? Is that right?
Yes.
Oh,
Maybe my name is hard to pronounce
uh,
for many English tutors, so
okay.
just call me Atsu.
Atsu, nice to meet
Yes.
you today, Atsu.
Nice to meet you.
So, how are you today, Atsu?
I'm good.
Okay,
Uh,
good to hear that.
How are
Yes.
you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thank you for
Mhm.
asking. Yeah. Okay. Now I can
Mhm.
see here it shows daily conversation, daily level 1 to 1, lesson 14 of Study Sapuri English. Is that right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So today we're going to practice using some of the sentences that you have been studying. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's go to the next page. We have
Mhm.
practice. Please look at key phrase number one.
Mhm.
All right, so let's check the first key phrase. Please repeat after me once.
Mhm.
Do you have a restaurant called
Mhm.
Bang? Mhm.
Do you know a
Oh,
restaurant
do you
called?
know? Sorry. Do you
Okay, okay,
know?
don't worry. Do you know a restaurant called?
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so now please look at the situation in the box and could you please read the situation aloud?
Okay, you are going to meet a friend at a Japanese restaurant in the United States, but you get lost. A local person nearby is worried about you.
Okay, that's right. Thank you. Very good. Do you have any questions about that?
Nothing particular.
Is
Thank you.
clear. Okay. All right. So we also have the task. Please also read it aloud.
Mhm. They ask if you need any help. Try asking them if they know the restaurant Akebono.
Akebono. Okay. Now you will use the key phrase to answer, or you can click the hint button for an idea on how to answer. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I will start. Would you like some help?
Do you know a restaurant called Akebono?
Okay, very good. Now let's go on to the next praise. That's the right key praise. Let's have key praise number two.
Okay.
All right, so please repeat it again. I think it's around here.
I think it's around here.
Okay, very good. Again, could you please read the situation aloud?
Okay. They don't seem to understand at first.
All right, and we also have the task. So please, could you read as well the task?
Okay. They ask if they ask if it they ask if it is a Japanese restaurant. Try telling them yes and saying you think it is nearby.
All right. Okay, very good. Now please look at the exercise. Okay, so again, I will say something to you or ask you a question. So let me start. Is it a Japanese restaurant?
Hmm, Yeah. Yes. I think it is around here.
All right. So I think it is around here. Very good in using the key phrase. So let me type it in the chat box. And now let's check the third key phrase. Okay,
Mhm.
so please repeat after me. Thanks anyway.
Thanks anyway.
That's right. Could you please read the situation as well?
They didn't know the restaurant.
hmm And also the task. Please read the task.
Mhm. They apologize for not knowing. Try thanking thanking them for trying to help anyway.
All right. Help anyway. Okay. So please look at the exercise. I will
Mhm.
start. Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I don't know.
Mm,
Okay.
Thanks anyway.
Thanks anyway. That's great. Okay, now let's go to apply general. Okay,
Mhm.
so in this activity, we're going to apply the key phrases to three specific situations. Okay,
Mhm.
here's the first situation. Could you please read situation number one?
Okay. You are trying to find a restaurant with a friend. You believe it is lo- loca- located nearby.
Yes, located nearby. All right. So I will say something to you or ask you a question, then you are going to reply using one of the key phrases, okay?
Mhm.
All right.
Okay.
So let's try. Are we close to the restaurant?
I think it is. I think it's around here.
All right. Yes, I think that's the best key phrase too. The best choice. That's right.
Mhm.
I
Thank you.
think it is around here. So please look in the chat box. Let's check the sample answer. And the sample answer is yes, right? The same. The same with your answer. Very good.
Okay.
All right, so let's have situation number two. Okay, please
Okay.
read situation two.
Okay. A hotel staff member was unable to answer a question. You are grateful to them for trying.
Trying. All right, so again, you're going to reply using the key phrase that you think is the best for this situation. Okay? All
Okay.
right, so I will start. I'm sorry, I couldn't help you anymore.
Hmm. Thanks anyway.
That's right. Okay, that's perfect. So you can use this key phrase very well too. Okay, so let's check the sample answer. Please look in the chat box one more time.
Mhm.
And it is thanks anyway. Very good.
Okay.
All right, so let's go to situation three. Please read it aloud.
Okay. You are talking to a friend about where to have dinner. You want to know if they have had a QXY sushi.
Sushi. All right, great. Now I will start. Um,
Mhm.
do you have any ideas about where we should eat?
Hmm. Do you know a restaurant called QXW Sushi?
Okay, that's right. So you did a great job on this key phrase too. Please look in the chat
Mhm.
box. Let me check the sample answers and type it in the chat box. So we have, that's perfect. Do you know a restaurant called QXW Sushi? Very good.
Okay.
All right, so now let's look at apply personal. Okay.
Okay.
So in
Okay.
this activity, we will try to use these three key phrases in your
Mhm.
own situation. All right.
Mhm.
So let's practice using the three key phrases in your daily
Mhm.
life or at work. So we have the like three steps here. Step number one, pick up
Mhm.
one of the key phrases you're going to
Mhm.
choose. And then number two, please make an example sentence
Mhm.
using the key phrase. And
Mhm.
then the third step is please describe the situation, okay, if you
Mhm.
can. All right, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Which key phrase do you want to choose?
それ。うん。Okay. Do you know a restaurant called something? Yes,
Yes.
I
Okay.
choose this place.
All right. So please make a sentence using this key phrase.
Okay. Do you know a restaurant called Jollibee?
Oh, yes. Yeah, it's a Filipino restaurant.
Yes.
Jollibee, yeah, very popular in the Philippines.
Mhm.
There's no Jollibee in Japan, right?
Unfortunately,
No.
not.
You
We don't have.
You don't have, right? But in US, there are Jollibee stores in US and also in China, I think. Yeah, in China
Mm,
and US as well. All right, so do you know a restaurant called Jollibee? Please describe the situation.
yes. Actually, I was, I'm, I'm taking an English conversation school every day from
Oh,
uh, Philippine English tutor. So
wow.
I heard about Jollibee. So,
Yes.
I am interested in
Mm,
about Jollibee. So
mhm.
maybe if I have any chance to visit
Into the
Philippines,
Philippines, yes.
I I do like to go and eat at Jollibee store.
Yes, you're
So when
much
I
welcome.
I arrived Manila airport, I
Ah,
first asked
yes,
someone.
yes, that's right. I think there's
So I use
Jollibee
this
there.
place.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's actually, yes, Jollibee is everywhere in the Philippines. Yes,
really.
yeah, and I think there's so many stores,
Mm.
Jollibee restaurants in the Philippines because it's the number one, yeah, fast food
Okay.
in the Philippines.
Mm,
Uh, McDonald's is only number two. Yeah,
I heard
yeah,
about
yeah.
many country
Mm.
and McDonald is
Yes,
top one
that's
share
true.
all over the country,
That's
but
right.
Philippines is except
Yeah, except in the Philippines. McDonald's only
yes,
number two. Yes.
yes. So
Oh,
I'm getting interested
yeah,
in about
exactly.
Jollibee.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, we love actually. We love the food in Jollibee.
Mhm.
That's right.
I
Yeah.
see.
Okay. Thank you so much. All
Mhm.
right. So, how about the second key phrase? Please choose the second
Okay.
key phrase.
そうですね。うん。えー I think it's around here.
I think it's around here. Okay.
うん
Please make a sentence using this
So,
one.
うん。Uh, I have many opportunity to visit abroad for business trip.
Wow. That's right. That's good.
So, なんだろうな。First, and I think for I seek for a hotel
Mm,
which I booked before departure.
departure before departure. Yes.
Yes, so I will ask someone to
Mm-hmm.
where to ABC hotel.
Mm.
So uh, someone is use this phrase. I
Oh.
think it's around here.
Ah, yes, very good. Okay, that's nice.
Mm,
Yes, very good. I think it's around here.
yes.
Yeah. You can feel it, right? Or
Mm,
it's like experienced that before, you've been in that place before, so you can
mm,
still remember, or you can, yeah, recall some places and so familiar. So you
mm,
said, I think it's around here. That's right.
mm. I
Okay.
see.